Welcome to solverfy.
Hello everybody, this is Ricky, and today we're going to work on problem 39 from chapter 32. So, urea, uric acid. So, mammals will excrete urea. It is made in the urea cycle. Uric acid is used by birds, reptiles, and insects. Made in the uric acid cycle. And something about the uric acid cycle versus the urea cycle, as it's more complex and it's more energy intensive. Although it's completely insoluble in water, and so conserves more water than urea would. I hope this video was helpful. I'll see you in